It's good, y'all. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness, and I am gladly here with y'all. Back at it again. I gotta fix my durag. Back at it again with another YouTube video for y'all. So, this video right here, I'm gonna talk to y'all about how the stock market went today. I am try my very, very best to talk more about the importance of, financial literacy on this channel, along with the importance of retaining your life force energy, bro. You know, um, both are very, very important. And me retaining my essence definitely has helped me transmute this energy more into the things that I'm truly focused on. Like this YouTube channel, um, like my portfolio, like myself. Y'all see that I've gotten engaged. And I'm also here to talk to you guys about these 9 to 5 jobs and how they really playing at everybody's face. All right. Now, if you want to sit there and be in la la land and feel as if the job ain't playing in your face or whatever the case may be, then you're honestly blinded to the truth. All right. You won't get super wealthy or rich with only working your job, bro. If you're only focused on one source of income and you don't know how to make your money grow, you're holding yourself back for so much potential. All right. Today I made $372 in the stock market because my assets went up in value. And every day I train myself to work with what I have and to purchase more assets. You know? Now, the average person don't really care about getting rich or getting wealthy. They just want to make sure that they have, stability in their life, which is good for every human being. I'm not taking away from that, you know? But what I want people to learn is that we live in a matrix where the job, let's be honest, bro, it hinders a lot of people. And if you ask yourself, like, who's the person that you truly want to become and what is required of that individual, you gotta you gotta be willing to bet on yourself, especially in this generation. All right. We living in a time and age where we can always learn from other people that are where we want to be, right? We living in a time and age where it's totally different now. Like, if you just solely dependent on one source of income, that is too close to zero. But if you're teaching yourself how to generate different sources of income, now you're playing a game of the rich and the wealthy. All right. Me personally, I invest into stocks, I invest into a couple ETFs, and I have real estate in my portfolio. Right. Then, of course, I have my YouTube channel that I'm working on every single day, and I have my W-2 job, and then I got Uber Eats that I do on my off days. Now, I'll be honest with y'all, bruh. Like I tell y'all often, the W-2 job is not gonna pay you what you're truly worth. They're gonna pay you what they feel like you're worth. And the reason why I keep on repeating it is so that you guys understand, bruh. Okay? Yeah, your worth, your worth shouldn't even be based off of how the job feels about you. You know? Because jobs jobs care about profits. Jobs care about profits, right? They don't care about you. They care about what you can do for them. You understand what I'm saying? And you're gonna have so many people that's gonna try to gaslight you in this generation. That's gonna try to tell you, well, be grateful for the low wages that you're making. They're not gonna say it like that, but they're gonna tell you be grateful, right? But internally, you know that you deserve way better, and you know that you need more money in order to really make it out here. Because if we're just depending on the wages that we make, that's going to keep us in survival mode. But if we have some extra income that we could use to put to work, then that's going to help us get ahead. All right? Your job don't want you to get ahead. Let's just be honest, bro. Your job don't want to free you to where you have the freedom to do whatever it is that you want. You understand what I'm saying? And this is why I say, like, I feel like some jobs, some 9 to 5 jobs hinders people's growth because they either get blinded by the salary or they get blinded by the hourly wage. And that's the only way they feel like they can make money. Majority of the world does not invest. Majority of the world does not own assets, you know? And it'll take you forever, bro, to just, if you just, I'm just gonna save my money. I'm just gonna save my money in the bank. You're not making no interest. And let's just say put in a high yield savings account. Well, how much interest is that gonna give you? Right? It's harder to live paycheck to paycheck than it is to have something working for you and knowing in the back of your mind, whether you're physically working or not, you have money that's working for you. Not only is investing important, it helps you build up positive financial habits. All right. It helps you set financial goals. And so many people don't think about the future, bro. They don't. They just live for the moment. But every day that you invest, that is a day that you don't have to work for that money. All right. Now, once again, I am trying to make as much financial videos as possible on this YouTube channel. I've seen Chris saying he made $10 million on YouTube, bro. And it's not comparison. It's just seeing what's possible for me too. You understand what I'm saying? He made $10 million on YouTube. That's amazing, you know. And I'm not one of these financial gurus that's like, yo, buy my course. Yo, if you put your money into this stock, you'll get rich and wealthy, bro. I'm not here to do that, bro. That's not who I am. I'm here on this channel to tell y'all what y'all need to hear, bro. Stop worrying about the clubbing. Stop worrying about the partying. Stop worrying about having fun all the time. Stop hanging around broke people. You understand what I'm saying? Start learning from people that are where you want to be and start putting your money to work, bro. Because guess what? Time is constantly moving. Time don't wait for nobody. All right? W-2 jobs. We're already getting cooked by, excuse me, by the amount of taxes that they take out of our checks. We're already getting cooked, bro. They get to see the money before we do. And we work for it. Insanity. You understand what I'm saying? So this is another reason why you gotta put your money to work, bro. You gotta teach yourself how to get ahead. You have to be the one that's willing to save yourself. You seen the video that I made earlier? I was out there doing Uber Eats. I'm on my free time. You understand what I'm saying? Talking to y'all about investing. Talking to y'all about the importance of breaking free from the matrix mentality. You know? And like I said, it could sound repetitive all that at once. But that's how you build in the subconscious mind. Yo, TC been telling me to invest my money. Let me make sure I'm investing my money. The same way you listen to your favorite artist, are they telling you to invest your money? No. They're telling you buy their concert tickets and freaking spend your money on them. Meaning purchasing, they want to sell you something. You're gonna spend your money. Now you no longer have that money, but you want to have fun. And there's nothing to have fun, bro. Like, bro, do y'all understand the times that we living in right now? And then y'all also gotta get out of the mentality of YOLO. YOLO, bro, that YOLO mentality is weak. Super weak. You gotta get into the mentality of long term. Alright? If you got $1,000 in your bank account, you're doing better than majority of the world. Now you need to have that money working for you so that it can grow. So that you can have multiple thousands. And once again, nothing is guaranteed in life, bro. This is not, I'm not no financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. But I'm here to tell y'all how money truly works and what is important for us, bro. Financial literacy, financial education, taking care of our health, taking care of our mental health, growing spiritually, taking care of ourselves spiritually, physically, emotionally, financially, every area of your life, bro. Being disciplined with the money that you have, being a good steward. If something wasn't working for me, I wouldn't talk about it. That's why I talk about SR. That's why I talk about no fap. That's why I talk about the stock market. Because these are things that's been working for me. And y'all can look at my YouTube channel, bro. I'm not getting paid thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars every month. No. So I'm giving y'all this information off the strength of me. But at the end of the day, it's up to you. It's either you're gonna save yourself or you're not. Because the government don't give a F about you. Nobody cares. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody. So you got to be willing to save yourself. Learn high income skills. Put your money to work and stop playing around, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Let's go.